Hello, my fellow grocery addict. It's Jackie, and if you have been around a while, you know that my family loves Halloween, especially my husband and son, and one of my favorite things about Halloween is actually handing out candy. I can still remember as a kid my favorite houses to go to. They'd have the full-size candy bars, or they'd dress up, and I love to be that house for other kids. So we always buy full-size candy, and I'm going to share with you some of the fun Halloween stuff that we bought this season, as Halloween is right around the corner. So cheers, let's go get some goods, and I'm going to share with you how we're using them. Let's go. Okay, we just re-signed up for our Sam's Club membership because Elsie wanted to get her birthday cupcakes here. They're her favorite, and I figured we could get our candy here. I love getting our Halloween candy from here, so I'm going to do a little teeny shopping haul. But look at these fun items. That Beetlejuice one is fun. It's even on clearance for $166 already. Lots of Halloween fun stuff here. We ordered this cake using Sam's Club online. You log in, you have your membership, and then you can customize cakes, you can customize cupcakes. This is how we've always done it, but we really like their chocolate cake with their whipped icing. I thought this was really cute. It's the Upper and Lower Peninsula of Michigan. It's $30, but it looks like they make them for all states, 50 United plates. Really cute. We've arrived, now we just have to wait for them. They generally have these out and ready, but just in case I did order it ahead of time, we didn't really need anything special, but Elsie picked everything, and now we're gonna get our candy for trick-or-treating. Okay, I found the candy aisle. I haven't been to Sam's probably since last year when we bought Halloween candy. Now, we are known for handing out full size, so I have to live up to that. I'm gonna get these extreme sour belts for $14.84. We are also doing trunk or treat for my kids' school. These have 90. We're gonna get 2 of these to hand out 1 to each kid as they come through. They're $13.48 a piece. We also thought it would be fun to do either this variety pack or baby pops, but this is a better value. So these are 62 cents a piece. I got 1 of those. And then we're gonna get 1 of these at $23.98. And then 1 of these at $24.78. So all together. So these are all of our full-size candies that we're gonna have to hand out to trick-or-treaters. And then we have a bunch of mini gummy bear packs that will be our backup candy. We bought those. You guys saw me count those in a short recently. Okay, we're birthday ready, Halloween ready. I'm gonna put on my blinders. I'm not shopping today, and I'm obviously already spending enough, but they have so many different candies here. Even if you wanna get smaller bags, you can hand out pretzels, popcorn cones, ring pops here, Reese's pumpkins, the big giant Reese's bucket. Those are cute. Chocolate stir sticks, candy kit, 36 count superhero box for $29.98. Wow, that's actually a better value. We're gonna get this instead. I'm gonna put this one back and we get this instead. Okay, so I already paid for the cupcakes when I ordered them online, so I have to pay $121.34 for all the candy. Okay, so I wanted to open this up and show you. The Hershey bar has 10 different assortments of DC characters. We got only 2 of them, Batman and Superwoman. The Kit Kats are normal size, and then I feel a little duped. These are small compared to, I think, getting like a full-size Reese's. I'm sure people will love them. If they don't pick these, I'm sure we'll be happy to eat them, but I feel like it's not quite a full-size candy bar like I expected. But this is what it looks like. I'm sure kids will be happy to receive them, but I kind of thought this would be like a normal Reese's pack, but with the 2 pumpkins. It's just a single pumpkin. It looks, to me, a lot smaller than that does. But overall, kids will be getting sugar, so they'll be happy. Okay, Cal, we got a new Cauldron bowl, didn't we?
Yes.
And we got this from Target. We did get it on sale. They had a candy sale, and I think because this holds candy, it counted. But we're gonna open it up. We saw it on display, and we begged Dad, didn't we?
Yes.
Now, Matt, my husband, and Kel do a lot of our Halloween decorations, but I actually wanted to get this. I normally stay out of Halloween. But I love to hand out candy, and I love the Cauldron. So let's see it in action. Okay, Emmy's sleeping. Kel's gonna open this, and then we're gonna put our candies in there for Halloween. Go ahead, buddy. This was pretty cool on display, wasn't it?
Yes.
And obviously I like that it was on sale, and it's something that we can use for years. But look how big this is. We can put all of our full-size candy in there. It'll be so fun to display it, and it lights up. So we're gonna get this going, and we'll show you. Okay, Cal, go ahead. So we're filling this up now. It's a little ahead of Halloween, but we'll be all ready, and then we can show you how cool it looks. Okay, it has sounds, lights, and it fits all of our candy. Is it cool?
Yes.
We'll have to see it at night, but I cannot wait to have this on Halloween. And I'm going to dress up as a witch, aren't I?
Yes.
Now I'm just keeping this safe from Cal until Halloween. It's for the trick-or-treaters, bud. Now, I did get only 2 of these at Sam's Club, and I didn't realize the middle schoolers are going to be trunk-or-treating too, so I need to order 2 more boxes. And then the good thing is we'll have leftovers from trunk-or-treating after letting each kid get one. And if we run out of full-size candy bars, we have gummy bears. We'll have some of these, and that's what we'll use until we fully run out of candy. Okay, so Calvin is making some of these boxes. You fold them. These are from Amazon, and they make these really cute boxes. We're giving these actually to 2 different sets of friends and for school. We have a bunch of little Halloween goodies. Every bag's gonna be a little different. We also have a pack that came from Amazon as well. Costco Rice Krispie Treats, Costco Haribo Gummy Bears, and also the Costco Pokemon cards. So he's gonna put these together and we can give them to friends, right?
Yes.
And the cool thing is, I think these are pretty allergy friendly, but even if someone gets something they can't have allergy-wise, they could trade it, and there's allergy-friendly non-food items. So go ahead and put one together, bud. Here are 3 of the many that Cal has made for his classmates and friends, and anything that we have that we can link will be linked below. But we hope you got some fun Halloween ideas, and if you want to see a previous video of other Halloween fun from many years ago, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.